What's up, everybody? Ryan here, Cleveland, Ohio. Goodman unit. Looks like a Daikin to me. Heat exchanger. Look at this trap. What the hell? Who left it like that? Anyway. Apparently this thing's all messed up. Sooting up, burning weird. I didn't write it up. Got a heat exchanger. Not done. A Goodman heat exchanger. I've done plenty of Daikins. It looks like a Daikin to me. So here's our heat exchanger. And here's our unit. So we're gonna take that and put it in there. Got Ryan here with me. Box of parts, tools. Gonna get to work. Yeah, I'd say something is going on with this unit. It looks like it may have caught on fire. The combustion which stinks. This whole freaking thing just stinks. Burning rich. Look at the color in here. Orange. It's not supposed to be like that. So like I said, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. We're here with the heat exchanger, but it almost looks like it's not been burning correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this heat exchanger out and get a real good look and see what's going on here with this unit. We're gonna get this panel taken off and see if this thing does in fact have a crack in it. Got it out and it is really gross in there. Let me get this panel off. It seems odd that that draft motor just sits on there and it's all open right here, don't you think? Yeah. Something don't seem right. And it looks like a brand new heat exchanger we didn't put in. Something's up here. I'm gonna dig in a little more. We're gonna get this burner box off and we're gonna remove this. I don't think this thing was put in right. Do me a favor, Ryan. Go take the cover off of that one. Just the burner area, you know? I want to get an eyeball on the other one, but look inside of here. This thing was burning not good. It's all sooted up. It's all ripped up. Look, it's all hot up here. Something was not put in correctly. This seems very strange to me. The combustion blower mounts right here, right? None of these screws were in along the top. None. I don't know. I'm gonna have to dig in here. I'm gonna get an eyeball on the other one too, but look at the gas valve. It's all charred. It's all sooted up. All the orifices. Something ain't right. These freaking Daikin Goodman pieces of crap. Yeah. This one, they're missing a whole piece. Really? Yeah. Stick your finger in there, right up above here, where it's wide open on ours. Yeah. This has, it's solid. There's a piece of metal there. They never put that back in. On the other one, there's a piece of metal right here. And this one's missing both of those pieces. Let me pull this apart. Let me see what they sent us. Burner. We got gaskets for days. All right, let me dig in, get this all taken apart, and I'll be back. Yeah, that ain't right. And all that shit is concentrated here on the bottom of the unit. This thing needs metal here. like I said, I went and took the panel off of the other one and I stuck my finger in there and there's metal in there. So we're gonna look through our box of parts and see if we got anything, but that ain't right. It shouldn't be open the whole way through, you know? This should be a sealed box. I don't know why it's not just solid. Why would they give you an option of screwing that piece in place? I did confirm we have not replaced any heat exchanger here. Very strange. Here's the other one, and as you can see, it's not all sooted up. And if I stick my finger, see these screws? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a piece of metal there. And another thing I noticed was none of the screws along the top. None of these screws were in. Looks to me like you have to lift the blower out of place to get to those screws. Look, right here. Here. None of those were in. Very strange. I'm gonna dig around this unit and see if those metal pieces are here somewhere, but looks like hackery to me. Total hack job. So I'm gonna make some phone calls. We're gonna look around and see if there's any parts or pieces that we're overlooking, but definitely an issue. This is that plate, and they had screws in that metal. Somebody just threw this thing in and caused a big problem. Looks to me like the heat exchanger's been recently replaced. I'll be back. All right, guys, so I was on the phone with Goodman here. Use my drill. And we're missing a whole piece. It's called the collector box cover channel. I'll throw a picture up on the screen right now and show you exactly what we're missing. But what that does is it slides right over top of this like that. And then, as you can see, there's screw holes all here that never got screwed in, and it screws in here, here, and here. So what we're doing now is pulling all this off and making sure that we have all the parts and pieces and plates and gaskets, because we're gonna have to order it. I was on the phone with Goodman. It's not available at the office we normally use and nowhere in the region. So we're gonna pull this off, make sure we've got all the parts before we make a final determination. Looks like we have all the gaskets, but we're definitely missing this piece. How somebody just slapped that in there like that, turned it on and left. Look, that's how we found it for the most part. This was open here, this was open here. None of these screws were in place, and as you can see, it wasn't working very good. They were getting a smell inside the building, which I believe. None of the screws along the bottom, if there are any, were in place, and definitely none of the screws along the top were holding this heat exchanger in. All we did was unscrew it here and pull it out. Crazy. All right, these screws here are just so messed up now because all that crap that's on it, they're stripped out. So I got the grinder. Just gonna grind those off so we can get everything taken apart. All right, well, a little grinder action. As you can see, this plate is cracked and the insulation's all messed up. So I think we're gonna get new plate here, new collector box channel, number 111, whatever it's called. I want it all. Start fresh, brand new, everything right here. So let me get back on the phone, take some pictures, show them what we're dealing with here, and go from there. All right, well, we need part 81, 61, 111, and 141. 111 is the part that's completely missing. This piece is just cracked and beat up, so might as well. And this one, you can see it's kind of jacked up here at the bottom, so we're getting that as well. The heat exchanger is all sooted up, so we already have it, and that's that. I believe we were here and did work before and wrote up a compressor, and by the time we got back, somebody else had replaced the compressor. So I'm not sure if it's the landlord or another company. I'm not sure, but this was done completely wrong, and now we got to get the right parts and get it actually put in correctly. In the meantime, this unit's just going to be left off. We're going to get a cap and cap off the gas line, or a plug or something, because I don't want anybody coming up here just turning it on. And that's it. So I'm not sure if there'll be a part 2 or just a continuation of this video. But for now, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Leave me a comment, hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.